This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video I am going to show you something that I have done today that was very, very stupid. I am here on my way back from uni, my little project work thingy. I am getting ready for the weekend. I'm just doing a little detour to stop by at a place of somebody I know to check whether or not everything is fine, looking good from the outside, and I will let just the digital tape roll now, and you'll see what I mean in just a minute. Going along quite nicely. What do we have there? Oh, the front gate is open. Oh, now I have decided to do a U-turn here and close that gate. Can I make it? Can I make it? Oh, I can make it. Yeah, I can make it. Okay, that's good. That's good. Now just close the door. Close the door. And get off the back. Oh. Oh. What was that? What have I forgotten? This is honestly so painful to watch, it's not even funny. Never tried it once. I probably would have twisted my back really badly trying to do that this way. Here I managed to get her upright again. You see the first casualty? The broken end of the clutch lever. Yeah. Oh my, there it is. This is so painful to watch. Okay, let's close that gate. Fantastic. Mission accomplished. This was so stupid, honestly. I've put over 50,000 kilometers on this bike. It's never happened. Shaking my head in disbelief. It was so stupid, honestly. Remember to put your kickstand down. I usually always kill the engine with my kill switch. I wanted to leave her running. Yeah, I'm struggling a little bit. But now that we've primed, she's starting right up. I usually kill the bike whenever I get off it, and this time around I didn't. It takes me like 10 seconds to get off the bike, close the gate, get back on, and just leave. But today I decided to not do that, just leave the bike running for a little bit and get off, and I forgot to put my kickstand down, which was very dumb, very dumb. In the end, I've got a broken clutch lever, I've got some deep scuffs on the crankcase cover on the left side of the engine, which I think is not an issue actually, it's just cosmetic, doesn't look bad. It's not like far in, there's no breakage anywhere to my knowledge. The gear shift lever, that was pushed in as well. I had to bend that out again with a little pipe wrench I used for that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and some scuffs on the mirror too, but yeah. I've ordered the new clutch lever already, and I just wanted to record this little video now to let you know that it is important to indeed put down your kickstand when you get off your bike, and maybe take care of actually doing that. When you are getting off and on the bike over and over and over again, and it's never anything is happening aside from you getting off the bike and the bike just staying how you want it to stay, then, you know, that one time when you do something differently, for me in this instance it was leaving the bike running, my brain's not really registering that I need to put down the kickstand, then this might happen. And also I'm usually not at that place. I've never parked there. That's also an issue, but it really comes down to a procedural error on my part. So yeah, I just wanted to record this little video as a little reminder that it's a good idea to check if the kickstand is down. Yeah, really good idea. So I think this is where I'm going to end this very embarrassing video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, and I do hope that I do not upload many more of these videos of me being down, my bike being down, any of us being down, then still feel free to subscribe to this particular channel. Thank you again very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then, bye-bye.